So now we're going to learn how to do a chain stitch. So all you need to do is bring the needle up through the end of the fabric, or the end of the line that you're going to start creating, and bring the needle back down through at pretty much the same point until you create a loop. So just bring that loop in line with where your line is sitting, and bring your needle back up through the fabric on the line where you want your second stitch to start, and pull it through. And then you're going to pull that first loop tight and then come back down through the fabric. Again, my needle is inside that loop, so it's just to the right of where my first needles come up, and pull that tight to create your second loop. Bring the needle back up through the fabric where your third stitch is going to be, in the middle of your loop, and again pull that tight, and then bring it back down through the fabric in the middle of your second stitch, and keep going. So you can create these chain stitches as close or as far away from each other as you want to create smaller or larger stitches. And then when you're done creating your last loop for your chain, just bring the needle just the other side of where that loop is. So pull it tight and bring the needle back down through the fabric and tight to secure that last chain. And that is how you do a chain stitch.